can tell how tall that thing is there or not. It's about 4.5, 5 foot, but most of it's going the other way. Got more people trying to come in. I think we only got a few rooms left. Can't put them over on the north, up above, because we can't keep the steps clear. We're putting them down below. Well, now this one's interesting. Maybe it's because he doesn't have front door parking. Whole highways lined with trucks. Service roads. You know, if you can see clear over here in the distance, that's that little gas station. Can't even see Petro. You can see our sign, see how clear it is. I think the lights got turned around.